This call will be recorded for quality purposes.
Hi, thanks for calling Sky Shield Roofing Pros. I'm Kevin. How can I help you today?
Hi, Kevin. My name is Kelly. How are you today?
Hi, Kelly. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you? How can I assist you today with your roofing needs?
Yeah, so my husband and I just bought a new house, and from the records, the house is over 25 years old, so the roof, we're considering replacement. Do you provide an inspection service, or do you provide opinion about roof replacement?
Absolutely, Kelly. We offer roof inspections and can definitely provide an opinion on whether a replacement is needed. It's a good idea to have it inspected, especially with the age of your home. Would you like to schedule an inspection?
Yes, but I would love to know, how do you determine if a roof is due for replacement or not?
Great question. During an inspection, our experts look for signs of wear and tear, such as missing shingles, leaks, or structural damage. They also assess the overall condition and age of the roofing materials. Based on these findings, they'll provide a recommendation on whether a replacement is necessary. Would you like to go ahead and book an inspection?
Sure. How much does a typical roof replacement cost for a standalone house?
For a standalone home, the cost of a roof replacement typically ranges from $6,400 to $10,100 for homes around 1,500 square feet. Since your home is larger, it might be on the higher end of that range. Would you like to proceed with scheduling an inspection?
Do you offer financing or any form of payment plan for big budget projects like this?
I understand that financing is important for big projects like this. While I don't have specific details on payment plans, a team member can provide you with all the options available. Would you like me to arrange for someone to reach out to discuss this further?
Yeah. For roof material or for roof replacements you've done in the past, what kind of material do you use?
We offer a variety of roofing materials, including asphalt shingles, metal roofing, tile, and flat roof systems. We can help you choose the best fit for your home during the inspection. Would you like to go ahead and book that inspection now?
Yeah, sure. Let's book up the inspection appointment now.
Great. Let's get started. Could you please provide your email address so I can confirm the details with you?
It's kellylee@gmail.com.
Thanks, Kelly. Just to confirm, your email is kellyllee@gmail.com. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Perfect. Can I confirm if the number you're calling from is the best one to reach you, or do you prefer another?
You can reach me on this line.
Great, thank you. Now, could you please provide your house number and street name?
One moment. It's a new address, so I'm still trying to get familiar, but I have it here written out, so let me grab it. So it's 512 Elm Drive, Mississauga.
Thank you, Kelly. Just to confirm, that's 512 Elm Drive in Mississauga. Could you please provide your postal code?
It's L5A3N7.
Thanks. Just to confirm, your postal code is L583N7. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Awesome. Do you know what type of roof you have, or would you like us to determine that during the inspection?
No, I don't know the type of roof right now.
No worries at all. We'll take a look during the inspection. Could you describe any issues you've noticed with the roof?
We've really not noticed any issues with the roof. We're just concerned about the age of the roof.
Got it. It's always a good idea to check, especially with an older roof. Would you like me to go ahead and book the inspection for you now, or would you prefer I text you a link so you can choose a time that works best?
You can have me book the call. It's okay.
All right, let's get that scheduled for you. What day and time would work best for your inspection?
I'm available Fridays from 2 p.m.
Great. Let me check our schedule. How about we book you for Friday at 2:30 p.m.? Does that work for you?
Which of the Fridays are you referring to?
I was thinking of this coming Friday. Would that be April 11th? Does that work for you?
Okay, yeah, I think that works.
Perfect. You're all set for Friday, April 11th at 2:30 p.m. If you have any other questions or need to make changes, feel free to reach out. Thanks for choosing Sky Shield Roofing Pros, Kelly. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Yeah, would you send me the appointment information and maybe a follow-up reminder a day or a couple of hours before the time?
Absolutely. I'll send you the appointment details and a reminder closer to the time. If there's anything else you need, just let us know. Have a great day.
All right. Thank you, Kevin. Thanks for your help.